Hi everyone, in previous video we have seen how to use non native React component React select by using controller. In this you can see the example of React date picker and how to implement it for doing validations in the form by using the controller. Okay, so let me install this React date picker. npm install React date picker. npm install React date picker. This is installed and I have already imported the React date picker and React date picker CSS. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, I have imported the React date picker from React date picker, and I have also imported React date picker CSS as well. Now let's create a div and let's give the class name form group. Let us give the label for this as well. Let us give the label as date. Let me give the date picker which I have. The React date picker which I have imported. Yeah. So to be able to use React date picker, okay, first I have to use the controller, and inside the controller I have to pass the React date picker. Okay, first let me use the controller and let us give a name for it. Okay, so let's give the name as date, and let us pass the control for it from the form control. Let us give the default value as nothing. Okay, now let's pass the rules as well for this. So let us pass the rule required is equal to date should be selected. Okay, and value, here we don't have the value, we will pass it by using the render method. Render is equal to, it's basically a function which contains field and it returns JSX element. Okay, let me use the React date picker here. Okay. Here let me pass on change function as, we will get the date and let's pass it on to field dot on change, because this field contains, let me show what this field contains. This field contains disable name, on blur, on change, reference, value. Okay, so let me add the on change and pass the value of date to it. Okay, and selected, what should be selected is basically the value which you get from field. Okay, Let us use the errors for this as well. Color is to red, and let us pass the errors to it. Errors dot date dot message. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, now you can see the default value selected is none, since we have given the default value as empty. Let me select 18 for this. So why is this not working is, let me check here. Okay, here I have given the field dot field, it should be field dot value. So let me refresh and let me select a date 19 for it. So this is selected. Okay, let me don't select any value for it and click submit. This will give the error date should be selected. Okay, let's see all the values. Sita Ramat, age 18, science, maths, English, and date is, let us take February 9th. Okay, and click on submit. Now you can see whatever the values I passed, I am getting the same thing here. Okay, so this is the use of the controller. Thanks. See you in the next video.